Hello, ako nga pala si Rolando Capua Jr., warehouse supervisor at Premier Heavy Equipment. My daily routine po dito is follow up customers, follow up sa mga stocks para 100% ma-serve yung kailangan natin ng mga client namin. Si Premier Heavy Equipment po ay nag-offer ng best quality genuine parts from Sunny in affordable price. I'm currently working as 2 years and 2 months. I really enjoy work at Premier Heavy Equipment kasi yung mga top management namin is supportado talaga kami sa kung may mga needs kami na kailangan namin i-purchase sa aming stocks.